Assalamualaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is chapter 9. Let's see today's topic properly. Our today's topic is chapter 9 and the name of this chapter is Keeping Clean. And this is lecture number 7 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 7 number SW. So dear student, let's start today's class. You can see here is some picture. Here is some items. We use these items to keep ourselves and the environment clean. Let's see what is this. First one, this is a nail cutter. We cut our nail with this nail cutter. And we must trim our nails when they are long. And this is comb. We clean our hair with the comb. And here this is toothbrush and toothpaste. We should brush our teeth regularly. And this is soap. We should wash our hand with soap. And this is shampoo. We clean our hair with shampoo. And you can see here is a baby. She is washing her hand. And this is shower. We should take bath regularly. And here is a towel. After bath we use towel for wipe our body. And we should wear clean cloth every day. And you can see here is a boy. He is trimming his hair. And look at this picture. This is a dustbin. We should always throw garbage in the dustbin. And here is some product. This is detergent and other washing materials. And this is floor cleaner. And this one is mop for cleaning our floor. Now we will do some exercise from this chapter. Now we will do matching with this picture. Let's do this. First one, we can see to brush teeth. What you need to brush teeth? We need toothpaste and toothbrush. So we will match this toothpaste and toothbrush. So let's do this. And after that, to comb hair we need comb. So we will match here. And then to wash ourselves we need shower. Then we will match with the shower. And then to cut our nail we need nail cutter. So we will match with nail cutter. And after that, to have bath, after bath we need towel. So we will match with this towel. And last one, to clean the house we need mop. So we will match with this mop. So dear student, now after this matching we will do some fill in the blanks. In this page you can see under this page here is some word and we will do this filling the blanks with the help of this word. First one, you can see we must take dash every day. we must take bath every day. So we will write here bath. You can see here is the word bath. We will write here bath. 2 number, we use a dash to clean the floor. If you see these words again, what word will be here? Mop. We use a mop to clean the floor. So we will write here mop. 3 number, filling the blanks. We must dash our teeth regularly. We must brush our teeth regularly. So we will write here brush. Then 4 number, we should comb our dash regularly. We should comb our hair regularly. So here is done. Small. Now 5 number, we should keep our room tidy. So we will write here tidy. 6 number, here is only one word left, and 6 number is we should always throw garbage in the dustbin. So we will write here dustbin. Now the next page in your book, here is another fill in the blanks, and this page here is some words, and the first one, before and after eating we must wash our hands. The answer will be hands. So we will write here hands. 2 number, we should trim our dash regularly. Here is the word hair. We should trim our hair regularly. 3 number, we must trim our nails when they are long. So the word will be long. 4 number, we should always wear dash clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. The word will be clean. So we will write here clean. 5 number, we should use dash while taking bath. We should use soap. So we will write here soap while taking bath. Last one, we must keep our classroom dash. We must keep our classroom neat. We will write here neat. Okay. Now here is some picture. You can see, to stay healthy and fit. To stay healthy and fit, we have healthy food. We need to have healthy food, and then listen to the advice of doctors and exercise regularly. You have to do some exercise regularly and keep yourself neat and clean. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you some SW. Your SW will be, and this is 7 number SW. When you will do your SW, please write the SW number. Your SW will be this matching. Here is only one matching. You can see match with this picture. But when you will do your SW, if you can't draw this picture, just only write the word and match with this word, like this is mop, write here mop, and match with to clean the house, and this is towel, write here towel, and match with to have bath. So dear student, I am repeat your SW. This is 7 number SW, and your SW will be matching. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN SW in your SW copy. You will get 2 marks for each SW. Dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.